Hi everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily update or change your mobile number for your Axis Bank account. So first you have to do is to install the Axis Bank app. So I will install the Axis Bank app. You have to install it. I have already installed the app and I have already made an account in it. So once that's done, you have to click on open and you have to log in or create an account in this app. So once that's done, I can just log in and put my MPIN over here. Once that's done, it's going to take some time and login. Okay, now here you have to click on the option more at the bottom right corner. Now you have to click on my profile here. Okay, so as you can see, here are many options available. So what I have to do is to click on the update mobile number, which is the fourth option. I have to click on that, and when you click on that, if the app shows an error, that means your account is new and you can't update the mobile number at that time. So what you can do is to maybe wait for 3 or 4 days to update your mobile number, or you can contact your branch to find a solution for that. And once it's here, you can click on update mobile number and put in my new mobile number and then click on I agree and then click on proceed. That's it. I don't want to change the mobile number, so I'm gonna leave the next step for you. You just have to type your number and click on agree and then click on proceed. That's it. You don't need any OTP verification or anything. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.